Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a grid photo on Instagram. This creative technique transforms a single large image into multiple smaller, interconnected posts on your profile grid. When viewed together, these individual posts form one cohesive, stunning picture, making your profile visually striking. It's a fantastic way to showcase detailed photography or create a unique aesthetic for your brand or personal page, drawing more attention to your content. First, select a high-quality image that will look great when divided. Look for photos with good resolution and a clear subject. Next, you'll need a specialized app to split your image. Popular choices include GridPost or PhotoSplit, which are available on most app stores. These apps allow you to choose how many pieces you want your image divided into, commonly a 3x3 grid for 9 posts or a 2x2 for 4 posts. Once you have your chosen app, upload your desired image into it. You will then select your preferred grid size. For example, a 3x3 grid will divide your photo into 9 equal squares. The app automatically splits your picture into these individual tiles. After the split, save all the newly created image segments to your phone's photo gallery, ensuring they are in the correct order for easy posting. Now for the crucial part, posting to Instagram. You must upload the individual tiles in reverse order, starting with the bottom right piece and working your way up to the top left. This ensures they appear correctly on your profile grid. Add engaging captions and relevant hashtags to each post. Finally, visit your Instagram profile to admire your beautifully assembled, large-scale grid photo, creating a stunning visual impact for your followers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.